Alright, welcome to Broadheads and Bobbers. Here's my not-so-pro tip for the week. So I got this bow from Spokane Valley Archery. They'd set it up and sent it to me, and shooting it didn't feel comfortable with the anchor point. And as you'll see in the other video, it was kind of low, so I needed to move the peep up, but I didn't have a bow press or a place to take it offhand to get the peep moved up. Because as I moved it up, it twists. But I read on the Archery Talk forum that if you take a carpenter's pencil, slide it in, twist, pull the peep out, put it up where you want it, and take it out. And it worked perfectly. And now I'm got a really comfortable anchor point, and I'm hitting bullseyes again. So that's my not-so-pro tip for the day, because I am not a pro.